welcome to the unboxing of the Jabra Evolve 65 professional wireless headset with dual connectivity. There's not much information on this particular box other than the fact that this particular headset is compatible with or a workstation. You can plug this to a laptop, you can plug this to a PC, you can also use it with a smartphone. So basically this device is compatible with a lot of devices. No extra information on the box, so let's just open it up and see what's inside. There's a lovely looking carrying case over here with a Jabra logo on it. Let's quickly take a look what's inside this one. It's very nice, actually very soft. This is it. This is what the headphone looks like. Let's get this removed. I missed one little thing, which is this Bluetooth dongle, as we call it, a nano transmitter hidden in the bag right over here, like in a pouch over here. So I'm going to take this out. I'm going to keep this one right here. I'm going to keep this one right here over here. Let's keep it there. This is a declaration document for the product. Let's keep this one over here. Next we have a paper, which doesn't make sense. This is the quick start guide for the Evolve 65 headset. Every instruction that you need, everything that you need to do, that you need to know about this particular product and how to install, setup, etc. Everything is here. However, I will show you in a separate video how to connect this headset to various devices. Next we have a charging cable. This is a micro USB charging cable, as you can see right here, and a USB-A on the other end. It's also orange in color, bright orange in color, which makes it stand out. That's pretty cool. Finally, we have the headset itself. There's a tag here. I don't know what's the purpose of this one. There's a swivel mic on one side. It's pretty good. The heads also swivel almost. One second. The head swivels on 90 degrees here. It's also pretty soft, and the ear cushions are quite soft, and you will notice there's this it wobbles a bit like this. This is just to make sure that the fit on your head is very secure. The headband is extendable, but not very much. It is just a little bit, but it's made of really good material and has excellent finish. There is no doubt about it. That's it. That's all you will find inside the box containing the Jabra Evolve 65 wireless headset. Thank you for watching.